2 weeks ago, a missile attack was launched on Syria, meaning Damascus, targeting Iranian forces. In this attack, 7 Iranian military advisors were killed, including a top Iranian commander, Mohammad Raja Jahid. Iran was convinced that Israel was behind this attack and declared that they would retaliate. Subsequently, Iran responded. Firstly, on October 8, Hezbollah, a Lebanese group supported by Iran, launched an attack on Israel from the Lebanese and Israeli border, resulting in the death of 12 Israeli soldiers. Additionally, Iran seized a container ship belonging to an Israeli billionaire from the Gulf of Oman. Between the weekends, Iran launched a drone and missile attack on Israel, with over 300 missiles fired. This was the first time Iran directly attacked Israel. Iran named this operation Operation True Promise. After this attack, explosions were heard in Israeli cities, including Tel Aviv, and emergency warnings were issued. Iran attacked Israel with 120 ballistic missiles, 170 drones, and 30 cruise missiles. This was a significant step by Iran, deciding to directly attack Israel. Most of these missiles were intercepted at Israeli borders, as Israel has 6 hours to intercept Iranian drone missile. However, Israel suffered damage in its southern region. People were instructed to stay in bomb shelters in cities like Bat Yam and Yad. Israel hasn't been completely devastated, as some news channels are exaggerating for views. This is just the beginning. Iran has taken this step without fear. Iran also warned that if Israel takes any further action, they will respond with an even bigger attack. President Ibrahim Raisi stated that they have taught Israel's Signis regime a good lesson. After this, people in Tehran came out at night to celebrate in Palestine Square. Another interesting thing is that the United States doesn't seem highly interested in this war between Israel and Iran. Instead, they believe Israel is dragging them into their war forcefully. The US advised Israel not to provoke Iran anymore. Now, the question is, what will happen next? If Israel attacks Iran again, it could spark a full-scale war in the Middle East, affecting the whole world. Iran has made a calculated attack, giving Israel a warning. We'll find out later what Israel will do. Maybe this issue will end here, but it started from Israel's side, and it may escalate. The chances seem low to me. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel for more updates. Until next time, stay informed with Rafopedia.